Tell me I'm not the only one who's always wanted to sew, but had no idea where to start. But this made it so much easier than I expected. It has 300 billion stitches, and the LCD screen makes it really easy to choose exactly what you want. It also comes with useful accessories, and I love that you can add the extension table when you're working on larger projects. Once it's set up, you have everything right in front of you, including the LCD screen and all the controls. And getting started is super simple. I can easily choose the stitch I want right from the LCD screen. Then I adjust the speed. Then I just thread it and get everything ready to sew. And this little tool makes setting up the lower thread so much easier. And then we are ready to sew. The foot pedal gives me really easy control while I sew. I honestly love watching the stitches come together as I sew. There's something so beautiful and almost magical about watching a simple piece of fabric slowly turn into something you've created yourself. And this is the final result.